Okay, so I promised you guys a look at a truck. Well, here's one of the trucks we drive. Very old, 1974. Nothing special. Don't know the motor. I guess that door won't open now. Tell you the story behind this. The sheeting's gonna come off, so is that foam on the other side there as well. Because what we're planning on doing is taking this. This is a freezer, so we're gonna take this freezer section off and turn it into just one cooler. Here's the plate that came with it. This is the freezer plate. It was heavy. We did it dangerously, taking it out. Actually had it on tape, but I didn't. Oh well. 300-400 pounds, I'm guessing this is. Heavy bitch. But 1974 Kemps. I call it the Kemps. Taking this off, so it's just one whole section so we can put our milk in. That's one truck. It's all rusty. Don't even use that. Just storage. 4-speed manual. This is when I learned how to drive stick in this thing. It's a loader. I think that's not the 305, no. It's a carburetor. Made a dent there, but that was from some other guy. Yeah, she still works. Gas gauge don't work. Speedometer don't work. The only thing works is the hot and cold gauge, the little meter gauge there, and this little gauge here. I think this is like oil pressure. So this and gas don't work. Yeah. Radio doesn't work. Yeah. Got a fan, garbage, heat there, and heat right there. You should know gas, brake, clutch, hazards. Horn doesn't work. Your light switch is there. This button here is for the light, and it will flicker. Just give it a second. See, there it goes. It's flickering to tell you that that light is on. Yep. Parking brake, fire extinguisher. I don't even know if that works. Some guy put a seat in before we had it. His wife was, I guess, came along on his morning milk routes and wanted a seat. To be honest, that used to be so comfy, but it ain't comfy no more. When I went to pick it up, I had to sit there for, I think it was a few hours. I was pretty young when I sat there, though. Whenever I ride in this thing, I usually just stand. I don't sit in this. But That's one truck down. I have 4, I guess, if you want to know the new international. But yeah, take care, guys.